Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to pair or how to install antenna to your smart TV. Today I'm gonna be using a Samsung smart TV, which I'm gonna be installing an antenna to the back of the TV. This is the antenna that we're gonna be using today. Is a Mohu ARC or Mohu ARC. Okay, so this device is going to go to the back of our TV. It's going to provide us with a signal to grab some of the air local channels available. Okay, so the antenna comes with a coax cable, which is black and long. This is going to go in the back of our TV. I'm just going to place the antenna on top of the surface. Okay, so I'm going to go to the back of my TV. This is the coax cable again. I'm gonna go where it says antenna in. Make sure I twist the coax cable all the way. Make sure I adjust it to the TV so I can. Okay, there you go. The cable is adjusted. Now we are ready to for the next step, which I will show you in future videos. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope it was educational, and hope the next time you try to install an antenna to your smart TV, you can follow these procedures and learn from this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Leave your comments down below if you have any other antennas that you would like to recommend. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.